we will discuss about image optimization today. How do you optimize an image for a website? Okay, so the first condition to optimize the image is to create your own image. Okay, you need to create your own image, number one. So once you create your image, okay, compress the image. Okay, we are getting some external sound. What is the specialty about it?
No, there is a firecracker which is
Okay,
happening. Just a
so
second.
you can be on mute. So when you have a doubt, you can release it because we are recording this session now. Okay, so when you have a doubt, you can release the mute and you can ask. Okay, so first thing is like you can create your own image. The next one is to compress the image. Okay, using the software called compressor.io. After compressing it, okay, save the image in your system with the focus keyword as file name. Okay, you have to save the file in your system with the focus keyword, whichever the keyword you want to rank for. Okay, use that particular focus keyword as a file name to rank better. Okay, so save this one as a file name. Now upload the image to the website using the content management system. Content management system. Upload the image and add your focus keyword as image caption. Okay, add your focus keyword as image caption and add your focus keyword as ALT tag. Okay, ALT tag. Okay, so these are two different metrics we have or places where we need to add. Okay, so you have to add it as an image caption, add your focus keyword as alternative tag, and add your focus keyword as image title. Image title. Okay, so these are the three things that we are expected to do. Okay, once this is done, the image optimization is complete. Very simple. Okay, so what do we need to do to create your own image? Okay, in order to create your own image, you need to visit canva.com. Canva.com, and you can select banner option. Okay, banner option, I'll show you right now here. Okay, so this is basically the canva.com account. I already have an account with this, so I can go log in with Google or log in with the account whichever I have it here. I can use this ID to log in because this is what I generally use to log in with the regular process. So you can go ahead and create an account with canva.com. Okay, you can create account here by selecting the banner options here, whichever is there. Okay, you can see video is there, business card is there, Instagram poster is there. Okay, flyer is there, you can design a card, any of your choice, or you go here and type banner. Okay, or you can type images. Okay, so there are lots of banners here, lots of images here. You can select any one of your choice and you can edit or modify it. Okay, so what I'm going to say, I am going to choose this particular image. Okay, because my website is also background is blue in color, this image is also background is blue in color. Okay, so this is how this image looks like. What I'm going to do, there is an image like this, I'm going to remove this image and upload the image which I have already added, preferably my own image which I have it inside. Okay, my branding image, I have it inside. Once I have uploaded, it will be available inside. Okay, I can use that particular image. It will be there at the bottom still. Let it come. Okay, so there is something like this. My ratings, reviews. Where are my photos? Ah, here it is. I'm going to get it now. Here it is. Okay. So this is the photo I have. So I can move this photo like this in between somewhere. Okay. This is a transparent photograph. Okay. So that's the reason even the background is visible. So I can click expand. I can minimize according to my requirement. Okay. I can still click expand. And if I want, I can make this photograph flipped. So this way I will turn. Okay. This is one option I have. I can keep it like this. That's it. What does it say? Okay. So digital marketing. Okay, I will say it here. Okay, I will say my name, Amada Kumar's apostrophe S. Okay, I will click expand like this. The primary goal here is to create my own image. Amada Kumar's online digital marketing training in India. Okay, so the font is very big. So let me change the font to somewhere around 150. So it's very small. Okay, look at this font. This is 287. Okay, let it be like as it is. Okay, let me increase the font size. 180. Look at this one. Right, somewhere around. Okay, online digital marketing training in India. Okay, what I say here, right? 100% practical, or I can say contact my phone number. Great, that's it. So I've given my phone number here. There is something called my uh, Facebook ID or something like that. I will put my website here, https colon www.amodakumar.com. So let people visit this website of their choice. Okay, I have it here. Okay, that's it. Now an image of my own is created. Very simple. So go to canva.com and start creating your own images like this. Okay, so I have created this image. My focus keyword is like digital marketing training in India. So if you look into this article, okay, best online digital marketing training in India. So digital marketing training in India is my focus keyword, or online digital marketing training in India is my focus keyword. So when I have the image here itself, I will name it as best online digital marketing training in India. Okay, I will choose this. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to do the second step here. Okay, I visited canva.com and created an image of my own. Create an image of your own. So let me say i'm talking on the I'm talking on your aspect. Okay, so create an image of your own. Once created, okay, you need to download it, put it into a system. Okay, so click on this download png file and click on download. The image will be downloaded. Okay, so once the image is downloaded, it will be saved on your system with the file name by default, best online digital marketing training in India. Okay, so it will be saved. You can see here. Okay, once I click open this, so in folder. Okay, so it will have an image. So what I'm supposed to do, I need to right click on the image. Okay, let it be like as it is. I need to check the properties of it. Okay, it is almost 2 MB, 2.27 MB. So what I'm going to do, I am going to compress this image size using a software called compressor.io. Okay, why do we need to compress the image? Because when an image size is very huge, it will take time to download, it will take time to transfer the data, it will make your website slow. So instead of uploading a 2 GB, I mean 2 MB image, what if you upload only 250 KB or 300 KB? So your storage space is saved and the time taken to download the image is also saved. the website speed also increases. Okay, so these are the two options we have. Okay, so what we can do, we can upload this image and compress it. So before it was 2.27 MB and that has become 1.27 MB. So almost 1 MB is reduced. So now I click on this download button. Okay, and it is coming with the same thing of 1.3 1.27 MB. I go to the show in folder option. Okay, I can see this image of 1.26 and also 1.29. Okay, so 1.26 is what we have optimized or compressed. Okay, so what I can do, I can go to the image option on my website. Okay, in which I can remove this image whichever I already have. I will remove this. Okay, and by placing my cursor here I can click on the browse button, insert image button, and upload image from computer. Okay, I will choose the file of the image whichever I have compressed. Okay, look at this one. So this is 2.27 MB, this is like 1.26 MB. I will choose 1.26 MB and I upload it here. So automatically the image will be uploaded to blogger.com. Yes, it is done. Now I click on the select option. So the image will go inside this one. What will I do? I click on this. I will increase the image size. Correct. Okay. I click on the size of the image. It becomes bigger. Okay. So what is this actually? Where I have to put my image. I can even select here. I can put my original size. Okay. So this is how the image looks like. Original size. Okay. Now I have added an image inside. I don't need this map embed code. Okay. Okay, I have added the image size here. Okay. Now what I'm supposed to do after adding the image, I need to look for an option to edit its other stuff. Maybe at the bottom. Okay. So here it is. Okay. So there is something called a settings icon. I click on the change option and I have alternative text and I have title text. What I'm trying to add here, I'm going to add best online digital marketing, best online digital marketing training in India. Okay, so this is my focus keyword. This is what I want to rank for. So I have added my focus keyword as a title, alternative text, and I have added the focus keyword as a title text also. Okay, and the size is basically the original size is what I will choose, and I click on update. Now, based on my optimization technique, whatever I have said, I've told you compress the image, save the image in your system with the focus keyword whichever you want to rank, upload the image into the website, add your focus keyword as an alternative tag, image tag, right? So you need to add it as a title, alternative tag on the website, image. Okay. So once this is done, so go click on update. That's it. So I have created my own images. I have optimized, I have compressed the image and I have also updated this one. Okay, so this is done most probably. I think the article will be updated, but it's taking some time to show here. So I go to this permalink option and I open this one in a new tab and I could see that image is being added inside. Okay, can you see? The image is added. Now, when I put this image like this on top of this one, the cursor, it says best online digital marketing training in India. Okay. Now, this is basically the image title. Okay. And we have added one more thing called a tag, alternative tag into this image. Okay. Once you go to the settings, you can see. Okay. So, this is alternative text and this is the title text. You see here, this is the title text. Okay, so this is added. Now what we need to do, once we have added the alternative text inside, alternative text is for the search engine spider to understand. It is not for you and me. Okay, it is for search engine spider to understand. So what do you need to do, If you want to check whether the alternative tag is there inside the image or not, what you can do? You can right click on the image and click on the inspect element option on an image. So this is how you can edit or you can audit a website image optimization. If you look at this IMG this is image alternative tag. So best online digital marketing training. If the particular code has the option of alternative tag with best online digital marketing training, so that image is optimized with alternative text. Okay, alternative text is not visible. Okay, for your comfort, I will do it again. Okay, so if you want to check whether the alternative tag for image is added or not, right click on the image, click on the inspect element. You will automatically see a blue color highlighted area. Under the blue color highlighted area, we have something called best online digital marketing training. So basically image ALT. So this is alternative tag. Okay. So you need to confirm whether a image has an alternative tag or not. Okay. So once this is done, we call this one as image optimization. Okay. You optimize this image here. Okay. So basically, okay, whenever you go to a blog or website, go create your own image. You will be having a focus keyword for which you want to rank for. Okay. Create your image, compress your image size, upload it in your content management system by renaming your file, add your focus keyword as alternative tag, add your focus keyword as image tag, I mean title, and that's it. Now Google will crawl your image URL and it will index inside Google. So whenever you go out and search about best digital marketing training in India, okay, best digital marketing training in India. Now Google may show the image under the images section. Why Google is not showing it right now? The reason because just now I have created the image and it takes time by Google to crawl the image and index inside their database. So once my image is crawled and indexed, okay, we will be able to see the image being displayed for best digital marketing, okay, digital marketing training in India. Okay, so along with these images, you might be ending up seeing the image which I have created too. That is possible. Okay, basic simple options. Okay, so this is how we need to create image and we need to optimize the images.